Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be continuing the Mustang fastback build. Let's get cracking. Now let's get our welded on there. Give myself enough room to bend it and curve it. Start down here. Well, that's all welded up. Now let's get these bits cut off. So let that cool off for a bit. Right, now I need to shape that top curve. So get the grinder out. I've added the extra bit on the end there, which I missed off due to my miscalculations before. Just get that ground. So I think I need to get that arch in. It's just bugging me that it looks too, wide, long. Maybe with the arching it wouldn't. So it's 6 centimeters. Well, we need to be 3 centimeters from here. There. So there, roughly that. got lip on it like the front, so I need to do another bit of thin metal around here like before. This I know, but there we go. Right. That side on, and I just can't get past this over freaking thin piece. Maybe I'll just put that in now, just so it stops doing me head in. Right, just get that in there. So there we go, a little bit further on, we've got the windscreen in, the doors on, the rear wings in, and I've run out of gas now, so it seems like a good place to stop, because I can't go any further without going to the gas shop. But yeah, coming along quite nicely, quite happy with it. Yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Cheers.